Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to tell you about an app where you can earn money in dollars and um, almost you can earn $100 a month without doing anything. So let's start how you can do it. So guys, first you have to open Google search bar and you have to search here for Honeygain app. Honeygain. So you're watching, this is the Honeygain official website www.honeygain.com, and you're watching here download button. So just simply you have to download this app to start earning. So you're watching here download for Android, Honeygain for Android, Honeygain for Windows. So whatever your device, just choose it and start download. So I am downloading it for Android. So this app is getting download on my device. So guys, you are watching, app is downloaded. You are watching here the completed sign. So what you have to do next, you have to go to the file manager and go in the APK, because this is a AP and this is an APK app. So Honeygain, you have to install it. So now it's getting installed. After open it, and one thing is very good that when you will register on this app will give you $5 for bonus. So you have to agree the terms of use. If you want to know how it works, then you can click on how Honeygain works, otherwise skip. So this is some permissions, like if turned off, use mobile data. If turned off, Honeygain will work only on Wi-Fi. If you click here yes, then Honeygain will only work if you are using Wi-Fi. It will not work on mobile data. So I'm not doing it yes, I'm clicking on no. And allow uses on battery. If turned off, Honeygain will work only while charging. If you do it yes, then it will work only when your mobile is on charging. So I am also clicking here no and done. Now you will see the app interface. So you have to click here disable battery optimization, allow. So now you are watching here honeybees. These honeybees will simply collect data, useless data from your device, and this data, this work is really legal. This is legal work, and you have no loss of your data, your information. It is just using the useless data you are not using while you are doing work on internet. So I have already used this app, so I have my $5 bonus. I just want to show you. So first I have to log in here in this more button, login button. So now I am logging here. So guys, you are watching, it was showing 0 before, but after doing login it is showing that I have my $5 bonus, and there is 1 day's data, 1 day data, because I did not use this app for many days. I just got know about this yesterday. So I installed it yesterday and I made this video today. And then you can collect almost $100 approximately. This can happen, like $100 you can earn without doing anything, just keeping this app on your device in the background. you got know about the work of this app. It will just collect that useless data and will pay you for using it.